You need to wait for a perfect fresh fragrance for years to discover, to try a lot of perfumes, and finally you find the almost like made to measure fresh fragrance that is Vetiver from the Armani Privé collection. I love that collection. I sampled a lot of it from the collection, but this quickly became my favorite. Oh my god. And here it is. Oh wow. Armani Privé. Now it got into my hand with a fresh Armani note. Here it is. Here it is. Wow, beautiful. So much beauty. Vetiver. Wow. Means winter Vetiver. Beautiful. Oh my god. Absolutely favorite fresh fragrance ever. Vetiver. Beautiful. If you know how the Petit Matin by Maison Francis Kurkdjian smells like, you would probably like this one as a more crisp, more wintry, but beautiful, fresh, clean artistry. This is my favorite fresh Armani Privé, the most favorite from the whole line. And the only one, quite frankly. All year rounder, safe, clean, but not boring. Beautiful, absolutely crystal clear. Beauty, wow. Smelling like a Zen garden in Japan. Oh, that's all. It's my first impression. Thank you. Until then, bye for now.